Hey everyone, how you doing? I know it's been a minute since I've posted a video here. Just wanted to give everyone an update. I know there's some people waiting on turbines right now. I personally had to take a break to take care of some other things. I'm back in the workshop now, fully moving forward. Still hitting some little rough patches here and there, but everything's moving forward. Just wanted to go through some of the things that I've been dealing with and kind of share with everyone what's been going on here at the workshop. Starting with the turbines here, I've got a couple units I'm getting ready to get back going out here. This guy is almost finished. I just need to get the nozzle flanges put onto it, and this one's pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna do a spin test to make sure everything's good with the generator once it's hooked on. Took me a really long time to find the right shaft to generator connectors for me to actually be able to use this. It was hard to get a 1/2 inch to a 5mm. I could find 1/2 inch to 8mm or 5mm to 12mm, but couldn't get the 1/2 inch to 5mm. Finally got them. Another rotor sitting here just waiting to go to its casing. The casing over here, say hi to Tesla. Got a couple going here. This one needs to be disassembled and retaken apart because I was doing something different with the bearings here. But this one's going to be having that rotor go into it, and I've got a couple more coming out here too. Currently getting the turbines on the CNC machine going. I had to get the new machine set up because my Z-axis on this machine went out on me. It's not remembering where it's going. I think there's a break somewhere in the actual wire, so I got to rewire this, and so this machine's kind of out until I can take care of that. So everything's got to get moved over here. One of the big problems I'm having from that is that I've got the jigs that I've made that are custom for doing all the polycarbonate parts on this machine, and I'm set up to do all my aluminum parts over here. So to get this all transferred over, that's going to be a big push. It's going to take away my ability to cut out stuff until I do that. In the meantime, I do have a new CNC machine. This guy should work just great. I need to get a laptop or a computer to be able to run it. That's one more project. I got a whole list of projects going here. Got more of the fidget spinners coming together. They're in line to get cut just as much as I'm doing turbines. So if you're waiting on a fidget spinner as well, those are coming. I got to get the orders done in the order that I've received them. Currently, I'm working on the bearing spacer in here. The bearing can sit inside. I'm gonna flip it up. Currently the 1/2 inch bearing sits in that little hole right there, but it goes too far that there would need to be way too many spacers on this shaft. So with the bearing spacer, it needs to have a little bit of space so these don't rub up against each other. But if I don't have the spacer that goes into the casing here, this has to be way out here. So I'm cutting out those right now. Going to be cutting out a bunch of these spacers, so I just have a bunch of them on stock. I only had a few of them up until this moment. And again, it's just more parts got to get cut out. I know that's not as satisfying as some of you want, but I'm working. I had to take a break, and I'm here. I'm back at it. Not going anywhere. Just going to keep trucking forward. Not going to let anyone down. Just got to give me a little more time. Thank you for coming along with this. I really appreciate all the patience everyone's had. It means a lot.